everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Nehal and I'm finally back with an ICSE related video. Today I'll be discussing with you some tips on how you can finish your syllabus as fast as you can, like some important things you should keep in mind and finish your syllabus by November, the timetable, the resources which you should follow, and things that help me in general, tips and tricks, all of that. Chalo, let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe before we start. I'm sorry it took me so long to come back with an ICSE video, but trust me, it's gonna be worth the wait. For real. Yeah. There is one mistake that students really make is they start by watching lectures on YouTube. वो नहीं करते. Like you take your book, you do little bit of reading before it's taught in your class. So if you go to class, you'll understand better, your attention, focus, everything will be better. So before they teach you, you're supposed to read the chapter at home, then you go to school, do it there, and if you have any questions or doubts or anything, obviously you have Google, YouTube, you have Telegram. My Telegram group is so good for notes and all. Resources ekdam bomb, and I've already shared which books are really good for ICSE. Other than that, I would say YouTube is very good for resources and all. Personally, for English language, I only used books because YouTube channels, there is no YouTube channel good for English language. For ICSE English literature, I would say Study with Sudhir is good, and there is one teacher, utna big bhi nahi unka channel, but it is quite good. The teacher's name is Ranjana ma'am, and I feel like her MOV and literature portion was probably better than any other YouTube channel that I've seen. For history and geography also, you can refer to Study with Sudhir, but I don't think it's required at all. I think reading is the best. You read it once aloud and you record yourself or do something like that, and then you play it. That's what I used to do. If you don't want to do that, you can check my other channel also where I have some readings. For civics, I would say only the APC book is required. The book which I got from my school, it's from APC Publications, and it was so good. It was so good. I cannot stress that enough. You do not need any other YouTube channel, nothing. You just read from there, and you can watch this video. Please do this video nicely. Only one इतना छोटू सा video and आपके 10 marks free के literally छोटू सा video है. Just watch it and good. For science, physics and chemistry, you can refer to Physics Wala's YouTube channel. They have a playlist. Like वो पुराने videos ही, even I have watched those old videos, the whiteboard ones. But I wouldn't recommend watching वो उतना from the beginning. Like I think I just binge watched the entire playlist in like 2 to 3 days, like a few weeks before my exam, few days before. So you could do that. You could start early also. It's up to you, totally up to you. But majorly, I feel like self-study helps the most. Like little bit understanding and then self-study really important. You probably have school right now. See, school timings vary for everyone. So, abhi average लेके चल रही हूँ. Like 2 o'clock your school gets over, by 3 you're back at home. So after that, I feel like you should have at least a minimum of 3 to 4 hours of study for now. If you really want to score well, I feel like 3 to 4 hours is needed. उतना तो हो ही जाना चाहिए, to be fair. But if you're busy during the week or something, you could compensate by studying extra on the weekends, or just manage idhar udhar. And those of y'all who have personal tuitions, I would totally tell you that please don't depend upon your tuition teacher that much. If you have a tuition, that doesn't mean you don't have to do self-study, because your marks increase if you self-study, Like the tuition teacher is gonna help you thoda, but not that much. Like I personally did not have any tuition, as most of y'all might know already. But yeah, that is a thing. Biology, I'm not sure if there is any YouTube channel, because I didn't need anything. Like I read the book, practiced questions, that was enough. If you want to improve your Why is the light blinking? If you want to improve your Hindi, I would totally tell you reading is the only way you can get better, and that too reading aloud. I know kabhi when I used to do, my throat used to start hurting after 2 or 3 pages, and I would get tired, and reading also very slow. So but trust me, it gets better over time, and by the end of the year you will be a pro. Like you will be able to read so fast. Don't do audiobooks for Hindi, I'm telling you. Like seriously, for English I would still tell you ठीक है चलो audio books चलता है, but not for Hindi. You know, spellings and all, everything एकदम perfectly. Reading aloud is the best. You need to check out my Telegram group because the question answers over there is absolute perfection. Because I had a teacher in the beginning of the year who used to correct papers for the board also. He was a really good teacher and he would tell me what is important, what is not, and it's all marked in my book. So if you don't have a teacher like that, you could totally refer to my notes and it will help you a lot. Let me know if I should post a video for paper presentation because trust me, it makes such a huge difference, like 5-10 marks in each paper. That is so much. So yeah, let me know. It's like a very important part. Like जितना important preparing है उतना ज़्यादा important is the paper presentation, how you present the paper. वो board वाला gets it and then he corrects it. You know, for maths YouTube is for maths YouTube वगैरह सब छोड़ो. I'm telling you, just read your book, do question answers. And school में they teach उतना enough. Like every school I feel like the level is pretty much the same. So you know, you read a little bit at home, feel it, you know, and then go to school. Whatever they're teaching you, practice the questions. Lectures I wouldn't recommend. It's a waste of time. सारे subjects हो ही गए हमारे. And for the timetable, I would say, see, you just need to take out 3 to 4 hours every day to study for now. If you want to score even better, like them outstanding, you could take out even more hours. It depends on the student also. If you are an average student, then I would say maybe 4 to 5 hours will be very good for you. You will easily be able to score above 90-95, and for that you just need to put in a little bit of effort from the beginning. That is from now. Starting right now is the perfect time. Whenever you're watching this video is like a sign for you. Start studying. Some people also have this kind of problem, like how to study all subjects in a day. Dude, you have 10 subjects. How will you study everything in a day now? So you can choose 3 to 4 subjects a day, which is good. Like you study for 1 hour and then you get bored of that subject and you switch to another one. So I would say 2 easy subjects and 2 hard subjects. First you have to categorize which subject is hard for you, which is easy for you. For example, I would put bio, maths, geography, English and Hindi in the easy section, physics, chemistry, history, civics in the harder section. So I would take 2 from here and 2 from here and do it. But 1 hour of maths is a must, like every single day. Other than that, you choose either other, but maths you keep every day because you know you need to practice and it takes a bit of time also as compared to the other subjects. I really cannot make a timetable for you time wise, like from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. do this, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. do this, ऐसे नहीं, because see, it varies for every student and it's different. I gave you an overall structure, like how you can make your timetable like personalized specifically for you, and it's gonna help you the most. Please start tenure papers as soon as you can, like as soon, like even in the next maybe a month or so. I would totally tell you, jitna jaldi you start the papers, the better it is for you. Because they keep repeating questions. The questions are so similar and the board is not gonna change, you know. They just do that. That's how it works, the pattern and everything. And please stick to the syllabus. Don't study extra. Like that is And even for geography, where we have like extra options and then you can choose and all, please do selective study. I'm telling you, some people like to study extra. No, what is the point of studying extra? जो पढ़ा है वही अच्छे से कर लो ना. Like I would say, if you want to study, you can study 1 chapter extra, but don't study the entire syllabus. Do selective study, but whatever you do, do it perfectly. If this video gets 300 likes, I will post more ICSE content for you. So do share it with your friends, like it up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the ICSE playlist, and I'll see you soon. This video is sponsored by Dal Chawal. मेरा बस मेनू आप बोलेगा कितना टेस्टी है.